Okay, here's a little project I made a few years ago that I've been meaning to show. It's a Lasko filter fan that I made out of parts from various different fans. You may recognize this fan from one of my previous videos. It didn't have the filter attached then. It started off as a Lasko that my dad bought in 2002. You can tell because it has the holes for the stand still. And we used it in the skylight until the sun made the plastic so brittle that the blade and the grills broke. You can see how sun bleached the handle is and the knob. But the motor still worked, so I just needed to find some new parts for it, and through many months of scavenging in the trash, I finally got a blade and some grills. This grill, it had a different front grill on it in the previous video. This one came off a fan that my next door neighbor threw out. And it's got a venturi thing around it to help keep all the air going through the filter. There's the back of it. I need to change this filter. I've used this thing for the whole summer because our house doesn't have a central air conditioning or heating system, so it doesn't have a filtration one either. So I made this to help keep the house clean, basically. Anyway, enough rambling. Let's turn it on now. It's not as powerful as it would be without the filter, but it still moves a decent amount of air. So here's high. This is the speed I usually use it on because it's the quietest. So there you go, there's my homemade Lasko filter fan on a stand. Thanks for watching.